Hello and thanks for checking out my video. In today's video I am going to be talking about I wish I knew this before I started internet marketing. My name is Richard Murphy and I am from New Zealand, so for now just sit back, relax and enjoy the video. For more information about I wish I knew this before I started internet marketing, head over to my website, and sign up for my weekly newsletter. Link is in the description box below this video. Who would like to know how to make money online? It seems that everybody wishes they knew this before they started internet marketing. It's probably a sign of our relative youth. I mean, everyone wants to be an adult now. However, the fact remains, people like the instant gratification that comes with using the internet, and they expect their businesses to thrive with the easy availability of information. Who in their right mind wouldn't want the knowledge that is necessary to succeed online? It's like if you wanted to go to the doctor's office to purchase a treatment for a disease, would you be hesitant about buying the medication? And so the question, who would like to have all of the knowledge they need to know in order to succeed at internet marketing? The answer is most people who surf the internet do so with the intention of learning how to market their business online. What makes marketing, anyway? There are many theories as to the origin of this word. However, it came from the trade of selling raw materials. We know that it is about selling something to the consumer, but it also refers to marketing one's product to sell effectively online. The internet has opened the door for people to sell their own products, and it also allows them to market the products of others. Many companies make their money on advertising and selling that which they believe will be beneficial to the consumer, not necessarily beneficial to the consumer themselves. There are many theories about the invention of the internet, but for the most part it's just a way for you to access information on your computer. You can look at books and watch television online as long as you're connected to the internet. So if you wish to make money online, the internet is the way to go. Therefore, who would like to learn how to succeed at internet marketing? If you've been surfing the internet for some time now, you may have come across several techniques to aid in the marketing of your business online. When you surf online, be sure to keep in mind that it isn't an overnight process of marketing. Most people don't believe in the fact that you can make money online within just a few weeks, but as long as you use proper research and common sense, you'll find it's true. A small campaign will show good results in the beginning. Before you begin to plan, find out what products are selling online. In order to market a product successfully, you'll need to be able to research and be able to properly explain the product to potential customers. Once you've researched the topic, you'll need to put together a marketing plan that involves advertising your product, keeping up with other information, and visiting a website of related products that you can promote. It's not as simple as posting an ad on the front page of the website, as these sites tend to do a great job of hiding the fact that you are advertising a product. You have to know how to market, but how to market online is actually pretty simple once you learn the tricks. With enough effort, you'll have the opportunity to learn the basics of internet marketing, and the easier it is to understand, the better you'll be able to market your business online. Who would like to know how to make money online? Anyone who's had the privilege of being able to travel the world would like to be able to find their way to where the entertainment is. How is marketing like? What is internet marketing? Do you wish you knew this before you started internet marketing? Would you like to know the secrets to success? Let's talk about what is marketing and what is internet marketing. Think about it for a second. Internet marketing is all about sales. It's not just about websites. If you take an advertising company, they are only after the goal of getting you to buy. But when you do business online, you're really dealing with two goals: getting traffic to your website and selling. You need to be able to see and understand that when people want to buy, they are going to go to your website. They're going to look at the product or service that you offer, and then they are going to make a decision based on what they see. So the question is, how is marketing like? Nowhere is this more true than in Internet Marketing video series, because you learn how marketing works from a consumer perspective, which means you can hear what they're looking for. In learning videos, you can hear and see what the average consumer wants. For example, they might say they want the highest quality available on the internet. Maybe they say they want to know who is behind the website and if they get enough information from the site that they can trust it. May you need information about the kind of money that will be coming in or the kind of reputation the person has. These are things that you'll be seeing when you watch these videos. You can actually get all of this information for free. All you have to do is find the right website. Don't know where to start? The first thing that you need to learn is the basic principles of marketing. The basic principles of marketing are about how the consumer wants it done. Think about how you can sell when you don't know how to do it. This is the exact same concept. When you learn marketing video, you get to experience firsthand how it is done. So if you need any help in getting started, don't worry, because there are resources to help you get started. You can view sales that are happening in your own area, in your community, or even on other websites that have been created to teach you how to do marketing. With video, you can literally get an education on how to market yourself and build your business. You also need to know what kind of website you need to create. You need to know how many products or services you're going to offer. If you don't know what you need to build, or how to build a website, don't worry, because there are many video courses that teach you the basics. You have to know how to create the right product for the right audience. You have to know how to do your research to determine if a product is a right product. You need to know the right keywords and keyword phrases so that you can find the right consumers, and you need to know how to drive traffic to your website. Of course, you don't learn all of these things when you start out with an internet marketing video. But once you gain the knowledge, then you can use it to market your business and turn a profit online. This is something that most people don't realize because they've just started. I wish I knew this before I started internet marketing. So you want to know the secrets to me wish I knew this before I started internet marketing. You have a marketing and social media plan, but the traffic is not coming in. Your business is not on the right path to grow, you are not living up to your marketing goals, and you wonder why people are not taking you seriously as an online marketer. And now, for the first time, you are curious about how to master digital marketing without a degree. It's time for you to realize the right strategies that can help you transform your online business into a money-making machine. It's time to start living your dreams by becoming a successful internet marketer. The secret of successful internet marketing is to gain knowledge and use it. It's hard to learn something without first applying it. In fact, some people who don't know how to master digital marketing without a degree have failed because they haven't applied the information correctly. While it's true that I wish I knew this before I started internet marketing is a journey that must be taken, the journey doesn't have to be a tough one. You simply need to apply what you learn and get started right away. The good news is that there are thousands of successful internet marketers out there ready to help you. I wish I knew this before I started internet marketing. You simply need to pick up a training guide and follow the steps to success. Here are some of the things you need to know to become an internet marketer and lead a profitable life. To become a successful marketer, you need to first have the right mindset. You need to believe in yourself and the products you sell. If you believe in yourself, you will be more willing to take action and will be more likely to reach your goals. You also need to create a well-laid-out marketing plan. You need to know the type of income you are looking for. You need to know how much money you need to work on a daily basis. Then, you need to put the plan into action. Another important step when learning how to master digital marketing without a degree is to develop a powerful audience. Your audience will be the ones that click on your links, are interested in what you have to offer, and eventually, buy from you. They are your prospects. Once you have developed your audience, you need to develop your email list. In order to get a substantial number of people interested in what you have to offer, you need to offer value to them. They are more than just a number. Once you have developed your email list, you need to contact your subscribers with an autoresponder. The autoresponder allows you to quickly schedule messages and build a relationship with your subscribers. As you continue to learn how to master digital marketing without a degree, remember that you will not have all the answers. Every marketer is different. No matter what your success, no matter what the road ahead holds, you have a chance to make it and you need to make it. Thanks for watching my video about I wish I knew this before I started internet marketing. If you got value from watching my video, hit the subscribe button below this video. Well, that's about all from me. This is Richard Murphy from New Zealand signing off until my next video.